Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review and try on of the Atlanta lashes by Lilly Lashes. Now these are part of their premium synthetic lash collection. They have a vegan strip. They retail for $11.99. You can use them up to 10 wears. They are full body. These ones in particular, they are 15 millimeters in length, so I am going to cut off a little bit. And if you do cut off a little bit with this style in particular, then you can create a kind of cat eye friendly lash that goes from smaller length in to the outer length longer. And what I usually do for false lashes is I use a regular tweezer to apply them along the lash line on top of my liner, and then I go in with the lash binder or lash applicator and bind my natural lashes to my false lashes, making it more of a put together look. Now these are my natural lashes without any false lashes, and you can see why I need false lashes in my life, but this is what it looks like with the Atlanta. And I have a lot of reviews on the other premium synthetic lashes, which I absolutely love. This is definitely one of the top in my opinion. If you want to save money, you can get a 3-pack for $29.99 instead of $35.99, and they do retail each for $11.99. But again, you can wear it up to 10 wears. It's full body, it's medium, it's brown. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.